Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Academy Nexus.
Hello, I'm so happy to be here today.
I am Adam, and this is my friend Emma.
Hi guys, I am ready to practice English today.
Emma, how are you today?
I am very good, Adam. And you?
I am doing great, thank you. Today we have a very important topic.
Yes, today we are talking about daily routines.
That is right, a daily routine. This means, what do you do every day?
Things like sleeping, eating, and working.
Exactly. We do these things every day. We call them habits.
This is a perfect topic for beginners.
It is. Everyone talks about their day. It is a very common conversation.
Before we start, Adam, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you like this video, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, are you ready to start, Emma?
I am ready. Let's talk about the morning first.
Okay, the morning, the start of the day. Emma, what is the first thing you do?
I wake up.
Good. I wake up. This is the first phrase.
Adam, is there a difference between wake up and get up?
That is a very good question. Yes, there is a difference.
Can you explain it simply?
Of course. Wake up means you open your eyes. You stop sleeping.
Okay, so I'm in bed, my eyes open, I wake up.
Yes, but get up means you leave your bed. You stand up.
I understand now. First, I wake up, then I get up.
Perfect. Sometimes I wake up, but I stay in bed for 10 minutes.
Me too. I look at my phone.
Then I get up. Listeners, please repeat. I wake up.
I wake up.
I get up.
I get up.
Emma, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
That is a good time. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
That is early. So after you get up, what do you do?
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. This is very important.
Yes, everyone must brush their teeth. And I wash my face.
I wash my face too. Cold water helps me wake up.
So, we are in the bathroom, we brush our teeth, we wash our face. What is next?
Next is breakfast.
Yes, breakfast, the morning meal.
I love breakfast. Adam, do you make breakfast?
Yes, I make breakfast every day. I usually eat eggs.
Eggs are healthy. I usually eat toast.
Nice and simple. You can say, I eat toast, or I have toast.
Can we say I have toast?
Yes, in English, have and eat are often the same for food. I have breakfast.
Okay, I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What do you drink, Emma? Coffee or tea?
I drink coffee. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. I drink a big cup of hot coffee.
Listeners, what do you drink? Do you drink tea? Do you drink coffee?
Tell us in the comments, coffee or tea?
Okay, so we are finished with breakfast. What do we do next?
We need to get dressed.
Yes, I get dressed. This means I put on my clothes.
I put on my shirt. I put on my pants.
Simple. I get dressed. Now we are ready for the day.
Yes, it is time to leave the house.
Where do we go?
Many people go to work. Some people go to school.
I go to work.
I go to work too. I leave my house at 8 a.m.
Adam, how do you go to work?
I drive my car.
You drive. Okay. I do not have a car. I take the bus.
That is a very useful phrase. I take the bus.
Can I say I go by bus?
Yes, you can. I go by bus is correct, but I take the bus sounds very natural.
Okay. I take the bus to work.
Listeners, please repeat. I take the bus.
I take the bus.
I drive my car.
I drive my car.
Some people walk to work.
I walk to work. That is good exercise.
It is. Now we are at work or we are at school.
What do we do there?
We work or we study.
I work in an office. I work on my computer.
Many people work on computers today. You can say, I check my emails.
I check my emails. That is definitely a daily habit.
Yes. Or, I have a meeting.
Or I talk to my boss.
We do these things for many hours. Then it's time for a break.
Lunchtime, my favorite part of the day.
What time do you have lunch, Emma?
I have lunch at 12 p.m. at noon.
Do you eat at a restaurant?
Sometimes, usually I bring food from home.
That saves money. I usually buy a sandwich at a shop.
I buy a sandwich, simple.
After lunch, we work more. We work until the evening.
When do you finish work, Adam?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish at 5 p.m. too.
Then we go home.
I go home. This is a happy sentence.
It is. I love going home.
The journey home is sometimes long,
Yes, traffic can be bad.
but eventually we arrive home.
Now let's talk about the evening routine.
Okay, the evening. This is my free time.
Yes. What is the first thing you do when you get home?
I take off my shoes.
Good. I take off my shoes. And maybe you change your clothes?
Yes, I take off my work clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Like a t-shirt?
Yes, a t-shirt and shorts.
Nice. Then it is usually time for dinner.
Do you cook dinner, Adam?
Yes, I cook dinner. I like cooking.
What do you cook?
I cook chicken and rice, or I make pasta.
That sounds delicious. I do not like cooking very much.
So what do you do?
I often order food, or I eat something simple.
That's okay too. I cook dinner, or I order dinner.
Listeners, do you cook or do you order food?
Practice that sentence. I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
Emma, after dinner, what do you do? Do you work more?
No work in the evening. I relax.
I relax. That is a very important verb.
How do you relax, Adam?
I watch TV. I like movies and series.
Me too. I watch Netflix.
I watch TV. This is a very common evening habit.
Sometimes I watch YouTube videos,
Watching YouTube is a great way to learn English.
like this podcast.
Exactly. You are relaxing and you are learning at the same time.
Do you read books, Adam?
Yes, sometimes I read a book before bed.
Reading is good. It makes me sleepy.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
I go for a walk. That's a nice habit.
What about you? Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
I go to the gym. Good for you, Adam.
Thank you. But after that, I am tired.
That leads us to the night routine, the end of the day.
It is late, maybe 10 p.m. or 11 p.m.
Yes, I get ready for bed.
I brush my teeth again.
Very good. Brush teeth in the morning, brush teeth at night.
I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas. These are special clothes for sleeping.
Then I get into bed.
And then, what is the last action?
I go to sleep.
Perfect. I go to sleep.
Or you can say, I go to bed.
I go to bed. It is the same?
Almost. I go to bed means you move your body to the bed. I go to sleep means you close your eyes and dream.
I see. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to sleep at 11:15 p.m.
That is a great example.
It is a long day.
It is, but describing it is simple. We use simple verbs.
Wake up, eat, go, work, come home, sleep.
Exactly. You don't need big words. You don't need complex grammar.
Just say what you do. Subject plus verb.
I eat. I work. I sleep.
Adam, can we review the whole day quickly?
That's a great idea. Let's do a summary. I will ask you questions. You answer fast, okay?
Okay, I am ready.
Emma, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up and get up.
What do you eat?
I eat toast.
What do you drink?
I drink coffee.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do at work?
I check my emails.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch TV.
When do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Excellent. See? It's a story. The story of your day.
That was easy.
Listeners, you can do this too. Don't be afraid.
Many students think they must say everything perfectly.
No, you don't need to say every detail.
You don't need to say, I opened the cupboard and took out a spoon.
No, that is too much. Just say, I ate breakfast.
Keep it simple. Simple is confident.
Exactly. If you use short sentences, you will make fewer mistakes.
And people will understand you better.
I have a question for you, Emma.
Yes?
Are your routines the same every day?
Mostly, yes. Monday to Friday is the same.
What about Saturday and Sunday?
The weekend. No, the weekend is different.
How is it different?
I wake up late, maybe at 9 a.m.
That is nice. I wake up late too.
And I do not go to work.
I do not go to work. The best sentence.
I go to the park or I meet my friends.
I meet my friends. That is a nice weekend activity.
We go to a cafe, we drink coffee and talk.
I usually clean my house on the weekend.
I clean my house. That is important, but not fun.
It is necessary. And I do grocery shopping.
I do grocery shopping, meaning you buy food for the week.
Yes, supermarket time.
So the routine changes on the weekend.
Yes, but for today, we focus on the workday.
The normal daily routine.
Let's practice some negative sentences too.
Oh, good idea. Saying what we do not do.
For example, I do not drink tea.
I do not drive to work.
I do not eat fish for breakfast.
I do not watch TV in the morning.
Very good. We use do not before the verb.
I do not run. I do not smoke.
Perfect. This helps you describe your habits better.
Adam, I think repetition is good for learning.
I agree. Let's do a listen and repeat section.
Okay, you say the phrase, I will repeat it, and the listeners repeat it.
Ready? Here we go. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I finish work.
I finish work.
I get home.
I get home.
I make dinner.
I make dinner.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Great job, Emma, and great job to our listeners.
Hearing the phrases many times helps me remember.
Yes, your brain needs to hear it again and again.
It becomes natural.
Like a song, you learn the words by listening many times.
Adam, what is the most important part of the daily routine?
That is a hard question. For me, it is the morning.
Why the morning?
If I have a good morning, I have a good day.
That is true. If I wake up late, I feel stressed.
Exactly. So waking up early is a good habit.
And coffee. Coffee is the most important part.
Yes, for you, coffee is number one.
What about for you, listeners? What is your favorite part of the day?
Is it morning? Is it evening?
Or is it lunchtime?
Tell us. We want to know you better.
We want you to practice now.
Yes, it is your turn.
Please tell us about your routine in the comments below.
Do not write a book, just write 3 or 4 sentences.
Choose one part of the day, maybe your morning.
Write sentences like, I wake up at 6. I drink milk. I walk to school.
Simple sentences.
We will read your comments.
We love reading your English. It makes us happy.
And if you see a mistake in a comment, be kind.
Yes, we're all learning together.
Learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Yes, every day you learn a little bit more.
Just like a daily routine. Do it every day.
If you practice every day, you will improve fast.
Consistency is the key.
What does consistency mean?
It means doing something regularly, not stopping.
Ah, like brushing teeth.
Exactly. Learning English is like brushing your teeth. Do it every day.
That is a funny example, Adam.
But it is true. 2 minutes every day is better than nothing.
I agree. So listen to this podcast while you brush your teeth.
Great idea. Multitasking.
Adam, do we have time for one more tip?
Yes, we have a little time. What is your tip?
My tip is talk to yourself.
Talk to myself. People will think I'm crazy.
No, when you're alone at home, say your routine out loud.
Ah, I see. So when I'm making coffee, I say, I am making coffee.
Yes, when you put on your shoes, say, I put on my shoes.
That is brilliant. You practice speaking, but no one hears you.
So you're not shy.
I like that tip. Describe your life as it happens.
Try it tomorrow morning, listeners.
I wake up. I walk to the kitchen. I open the fridge.
It really helps connect the words to the actions.
Thank you for that tip, Emma.
You're welcome.
Okay, friends, I think that is all for today.
We covered a lot of vocabulary today.
We talked about morning, work, evening, and night.
If it was too fast, you can listen again.
Yes, listen 2 or 3 times.
And don't forget to practice in the comments.
Before we go, please remember to like this video.
And subscribe to the channel for more English lessons.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Maybe you can practice together.
That is a great idea. Practice partners are helpful.
Thank you for listening to our conversation.
It was fun talking with you, Emma.
Thank you, Adam. See you next time.
See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye-bye.